Hey everybody, welcome back to Abner's Reviews. So today we will be unboxing some special boxes which would help us tidy up our desk right here. So as you can see, we have 3 of them right here. I have Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Captain America designs right here. Wow. So let's open up Iron Man right here. Our Iron Man box is out of the packaging, and it is easy to assemble this box. It's just like a square cardboard right now with an Iron Man face right there. Perfect. So this comes in 2 pieces right here. So this should be the lid of the box. As you can see, there's an excess cloth right here on the lid right there for easy access. So you can open the box faster. And this is the main box right here. Just open it up like so. So that is the bottom part of our box right there. So we flip it over, and there's the rest of our box right there. So that is our Iron Man box right there, all opened up. So this is the lid part right here, which we have set aside. So all we need to do is put the lid right here, and there you go. So we have our Iron Man box right there. You can also display this one without the lid. It's really your choice. Actually, I would prefer it without the lid, but again, it's up to you. So that is the inside of our box right there. In front is our Iron Man logo. On the back, you can see the Marvel logo right there. And that's about it. For measurements, this one's 9 inches right here. 9 inches, and it should be the same across the board. Yep, that's 9 inches right there. The dimensions of our box is 9 inches by 9, so you see that's how big our Iron Man box is. Perfect. Of course, you can see that it's still kind of folding right here on the inside, but in time those folds should be gone, because if you have filled it up with stuff right there, should not be a problem. By the way, this is made of cardboard and cloth right here. So let us see how much stuff we can fill this up with. Okay, so that is how much stuff you can put in here. Our Iron Man box right there. So that is a lot of stuff. So like I said earlier, this is a great way to tidy up your desks. Perfect. And make it look good while you're doing it, because these are Marvel boxes right here and they look good. Even though they're stuffed with a lot of stuff right here, you can still sit on your desk aesthetically pleasing because of the design, right? So as I mentioned, this is also a great gift suggestion this coming holiday season. I'll put links of these on our video description if ever you want to check them out. Okay? So there you go, guys, with our Marvel collector boxes right there. And I would like to mention that those lids that I have shown you earlier, you can also push it to the bottom of the box right there. So you can leave it there if you don't want to use them as lids. Perfect. That way, it would not be lost. And it could also help to keep your box in its form. So as you can see, we have Iron Man, Captain America, and Spider-Man right there. This one looks good, and this would be staying on our review table right here. And like I mentioned, these are also great gift suggestions this coming holiday season. So I will put the links to these on our video description if you want to check them out. So I hope you like what I've shared with you today, guys. And this would definitely help tidy up our desk right here. As you can see, our boxes already have those NERF magazines right there. So that's the start of tidying up our table, because our NERF accessories are filling up our review table right here. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our content for today. Please don't forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.